If you want to send location through text message on Samsung Galaxy S25, in the case of Google Messages, we can press this plus button, then we can tap location. In my case, I need to grant permission, so I can choose this time keep approximate location, and then we can go to settings because I need to grant those permissions. So if you do have to do this as well, then go to the permissions over here. As you can see, it is also being highlighted. Then we can go to location, and then we can choose allow only while using the app, or you can also just use precise location if needed. And then you should be able to select your location and then send it. If you use Samsung Messages app instead, in that case we can also press this plus button, and here you should be able to find location as well. Once again, we need to grant permission, and that's pretty much it. Once you select your area, we can press done. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye!